Well, welcome to the Bayer Crop Report Review. I'm Pat McClatchy. We are looking at the reaction of these markets, and let's break down the numbers for you. I'll just tell you right away, the number was considered initially bullish for cotton. It was considered initially bearish for beans and bullish for corn, and a little bullish for wheat. Looking at the breakdown here, the cotton production estimate came out at 13.34 million bales. The average guess was 13.78 million bales. Looking also at other numbers, the carry out, they expected 3.94 million bales. It came out at 3.2. So a smaller carry out than they had thought. The export estimate was 10.17. The actual real estimate came out at 10.2. And old crop ending stocks 3.7, which was in line with what they thought. Cotton was down 56 just before this report came out. It rallied and got all the way to 64.20 off the report, and now we're right back very close to unchanged, around 63.04 to 63.05. So a lot of movement. The low made earlier was 62.05. The high made after the report was 64.20, and then we've come back to where we're unchanged, actually very volatile right now. We're down 5 on the day. So looking now at soybeans, the soybean number came out for production at 3.94 billion bushels. The average guesstimate there was 3.838, so a bigger number than they thought. Carry out, they expected it to be around 396. It actually came out at 450 million bushels. Old crop ending stocks around 210. That was a little tighter than they thought. Average yield on soybeans was 47.1 bushels per acre. They had thought around 46. Let's see, the reaction of the market. Soybeans were down 8.5 when this report came out. They quickly got down around 17 or 18, then turned back to where they were down maybe 6 or 7. And right now they're down 7. So a lot of movement, but we're back where we were very close to before this report came out. Corn, the production estimate came out at 13.58 billion bushels. They thought the number would be 13.49 billion bushels. The ending stocks actually came out at 1.59 billion bushels. The estimate was 1.58 billion bushels. Old crop ending stocks for corn came out at 1.73 billion bushels. They had thought it would be 1.77. Average yield on corn, it came out this morning at 167.5 bushels per acre. The guess was a little under that at 166.6. Corn before the report was down 4.5. Right now the corn market is up 7. We are right now trading 381 and a quarter. It did get to 383 and 3/4, so it's been higher than this. Wheat, the wheat number ending stocks, they expected 860 million bushels for ending stocks. It came out at 875, a little bigger than they thought, but moving it looks like a little bit in sympathy with corn. Wheat's right now up 1 penny and 3/4. It actually was down 5 just before the report, so it has firmed back. And so that's really it. Initially bullish for cotton, but right now bullish is cotton has come right back down. It's down 16 on the day. Initially very bearish for beans, but that move down is moderated and it's firmed back from those lower levels. We're down 7.5. Immediately the number in corn was bullish and it stayed bullish, up 7.25 right now. And the wheat market was down 5, now it's up 2.5, so that number is also considered bullish. So that's it. That is our Bayer crop report review. Thanks for being with us. Join us later at 1:20 this afternoon Central Time, and we'll discuss the market after the close. Thanks.